Today I'm gonna show you two apartments in the same building. They are cheap and the location is good too. So let's go. So this apartment location is quite good and I will tell you guys the end of the video. So you guys can see here, this is the apartment. So you have to go to this way. This apartment is free parking. And the entrance to go in is not clean, but upstairs is quite clean enough. And when you move in, they will clean it before you move in. So the apartment is upstairs, so you have to go upstairs by foot. But the price of the apartment is quite cheap. Anyway, just want to let you guys know, all the apartments in my channel, those apartments, the price is really cheap, and usually it's the price of the local. Because I'm a local, usually I find like the best price. I don't take any commissions from the agency at all. I don't take any commission from anyone. So the price of the apartment I'm looking, mostly it's a good price. Anyway, now we are upstairs, and the first room, it's this one. So this is the apartment. The apartment is quite big. It has lots of spaces, and it has only one bedroom, one double bed, a fan, an aircon, and curtain. That's it. Nothing else. Just only that, and quite lots of plugs. Have many plugs, so it's easy to charge the phone or anything. Anyway, this apartment is a bit dirty at the moment because they haven't cleaned at all. They will clean it only when you move in. This is the kitchen area. It has a sink, and this is a bathroom. The bathroom it has a shower with hot water, a Western style toilet, a mirror. So the bathroom it's good enough, it's quite clean. I see by my own eye it's quite clean. But the room, it's a bit not as clean, but they will clean it before. And they will give you the bed sheets and 2 pillows as well. So let's check out the balcony. It also has the balcony. And you guys can see here, the view, it's quite good. It's not bad at all. And you see, many people are playing football at the moment. So you can join them as a good community. You can join them as a you can join them playing football with the local people. They are okay with it. So this apartment is $80 per month, and so this apartment is $80 per month and include parking. And before you move in, they will clean the room for you. And now let's check out the second one. The second one is a little bit different. Just here, it's like almost next to the same one. Just here. This one is like you can see the view from the outside. So if you book so if you're interested in each apartment on my channel or on my videos, usually you get a really good price because I going and ask them like the normal price of the local people. Anyway, this apartment it's quite spacious as well. It has a fan and an aircon, a light, a double bed, and it's quite spacious. A little bit dirty though, to be honest, but they will clean it for you because no one have lived here for a long time. And it has a window, a sink, And this is the bathroom. It has a shower with hot water, a mirror, and a Western style toilet. And if you're interested with this apartment, you can contact with the landlord straight away. Anyway, so this apartment is $80 per month as well. It's also include parking. That's it. And this apartment location, it's really good. It's 2 minutes away from the biggest local market in Siem Reap. So the location is really good. And from the Pop Street, only 7 minutes or 8 minutes away to Pop Street by a moped. So it's really good location. And the apartment, the electricity is 25 cents per unit, and water is 60 cents per unit. And this apartment, the owner she's going to build the big the big router for the Wi-Fi. So she's going to have the Wi-Fi for the apartment as well. So that is a good news. Anyway, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I just drove around and looking for apartment, something like that, and then I see this apartment. I went inside and I talked with her. Can I record the video? Something like that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a lovely day, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.